Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. This is Gloria Beauty World and Skincare channel. This channel is all about skincare, formulations of skincare products which are 100% organic and chemical free. We also share skincare tips that will help you to achieve a smooth, flawless and even toned complexion. For those of you who are new to this channel, you are very much welcome and it's good to have you here. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you an amazing formula if you want to make a very super effective whitening scrub. This is not the regular type of scrub. This scrub will not only whiten you, but will remove dead skin deposits that will help to reveal a more youthful and healthier looking skin. And with the right oils that is added to this scrub, it will help to moisturize your skin. So for those of you with dry skin, you are not left out at all. All our products are suitable for all skin types. Scrubs plays a very important role in our skincare routine. It helps to remove dead skin cells and allow the products that we use on our skin to work very well and produce fast results. So I'll be showing you how to make a scrub for skin whitening. At the end of this video, I'll be demonstrating and showing you how effective this scrub is on a first trial with a very instant result. So if you like this type of content and you feel like encouraging us and supporting us, please do so by subscribing to our channel for more contents like this. Like and share and turn on your notification bell. Thank you. So right here I have a bowl, I have a spatula and a scale. I told you earlier that this scrub is not a regular type of scrub. This scrub will have a cream-like texture that will easily wash off without making your skin feel greasy or oily. You will like the silky feeling it gives, and also is meant for both face and body. Be sure to sanitize your hands and tools with 99% alcohol. So into this bowl I will be adding 200 grams of emulsifying wax, 72 grams of steric acid, 50 grams of cethyl alcohol, 350 grams of shea butter, 120 grams of avocado butter, 172 ml of sunflower oil, 100 ml of mustard seed oil. After adding these ingredients, I will dissolve this oil and I'll be right back. Now the e-wax, the butters, oils are completely dissolved. The next thing to do now is to set it aside and allow it to cool down a bit. Please don't fry your oils, just dissolve it on a low heat. You can speed up the cooling process by placing it in a refrigerator, but don't freeze it. Set aside the oils and on a separate bowl, add in your white sugar. White sugar will hydrate your skin and fight skin aging. I will be adding 2,500 grams of white sugar. The next ingredient I will be adding is the mixed fruit spa salt that contains collagen, which strengthens and promotes skin elasticity. It also contains essential vitamins and fruit acids. I'll be adding 50 grams of malic acid. This helps to smoothen and brighten the skin. I will also be adding 100 grams of salicylic acid. This helps to shade dead skin cells, treat pimples and acne, help to reduce redness and swelling. I'll be adding 100 grams of citric acid. Citric acid helps to firm the skin and improves skin elasticity. It exfoliates and also improves the skin appearance. And I'll be adding 50 grams of vitamin C powder. Vitamin C can prevent skin damage caused by sun. It can also lighten up hyperpigmentation and brown spots and even out your skin tone. The next ingredient I'll be adding is the Kojic Dip. This is a whitening powder. I'll be adding it in 50 grams. I'll also be adding Sepi white powder. Sepi white powder is a whitening powder, so I'll be adding this in 80 grams. I'll be adding 50 grams of lactic acid powder. Lactic acid is used to treat hyperpigmentation, age spots, and can help to brighten a dull skin. This is goat milk powder in 100 grams. Goat milk powder is a natural exfoliant that can help to remove dead skin cells, treat acne, and also it can help to soothe dry and damaged skin. I'll also be adding 50 grams of mulberry powder. This will help to clear up dark spots and blemishes and can also lighten up the skin. The next ingredient I'll be adding is 100 grams of strawberry powder. Strawberry powder will help to improve your skin's appearance, fade away dark spots, blemishes, and can help to protect the skin against sun damage. I'll be adding 50 grams of turmeric powder. This will help to lighten up your skin and give it a natural glow. It will also help to treat an uneven skin tone. After adding all the powders, give it a good stir to properly mix the ingredients. Remove any lumps. After adding all the powders, I will be adding 50 ml of argan oil. This will help to protect the skin against sun damage, treat pimples and acne, and it will also brighten your skin tone. The next oil I'll be adding is 50 ml of papaya extract. Papaya extract helps to reduce signs of aging, clears blemishes, removes dead skin cells, and also lightens the skin. I'll be adding 100 ml of glycolic acid. This helps to exfoliate dead skin cells, fades hyperpigmentation, reduces fine lines and pimples. This is Action Miracle. It's a whitening serum that contains fruit acids and vitamins. This is Amos White Serum. Amos White Serum is a strong whitening serum that removes blemishes and clears dark spots. I will give this a good stir before proceeding to the next stage. Be reminded that what we have in here are the sugar and spa salt, the powders and the oils. Keep on stirring until they are properly mixed up. Now get your melted butters and oils. At this stage, it has already cooled down. Start whipping until it's fluffy. Then you add 30 ml of lavender oil. This will help to soothe irritation, redness, and prevent and also treat your acne. 50 ml of skin repair oil. This is for the treatment of stretch marks and green veins. After adding these oils, start to whip again. This is the right time to add your whipped oils containing lavender essential oil and skin repair oil. Once you have added it, start to stir and mix properly. It takes longer time, so you have to stir for up to like 10 minutes. Remember that at the end of this video, I will be demonstrating how to use this scrub to achieve an instant skin whitening. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channels for more contents like this. Like and share this video if you find it helpful. Add 125 ml of whitening activator oil to activate and boost the effectiveness of the scrub. The last ingredient I'll be adding is preservative, because you will be using this scrub in the shower or washroom and there is possibility of water getting into it. So to prevent bacteria from growing inside, I will be adding 50 ml of preservative, then stir very well. and your whitening scrub is ready. You can add your desired color, but it's optional. You can buy or make this scrub to resell and make more profits. This scrub is readily available for purchase and will ship worldwide. For flawless skin, safe skin whitening, deep cleansing, and even skin tone, acne and pimples free, clear knuckles, you can always count on this super effective whitening scrub. We also have amazing products that you can combine with this scrub to maximize your skin glow. This is luxury. So this is how to use our whitening scrub. Wet your skin and apply a scrub on your wet skin. Then scrub in a circular motion. Let it sit for 5 to 8 minutes. Then you rinse off. Endeavor to use this scrub 2 to 3 times every week for fast results. So this is pretty much how to use our super whitening scrub. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more contents like this. Like and share the video if you find it helpful. Hope you can see the instant effects our scrub gives. This can be yours too. See you soon. Bye.